Hello everyone. This is the poolside. This heat is fierce, man, fierce. I think a lot of people come here for their honeymoons and things. A little wee Lovelock Bridge here. There's our view. As I say, it's a bit of an eco-tourism kind of resort. There's a lot of granola crew here, which is fine. I'd rather have that than Chavi Benidorm crew. So we're on one of those long-tail boats tomorrow. We're going to the islands. So it's really quite nice, not busy, no screaming kids. Right near the jungle. They have a clown feeding, a clownfish repopulation sort of scheme because of the tsunami. Devastated a lot of the coral and a lot of the habitat for the clownfish, so they've got a clownfish breeding program here. And these are our huts that we live in. This is one example. Beach huts. Really nice.